We give you the base, you bake it to taste. Let's make banana ice cream. In a food processor, add 2 large, really frozen bananas. Then pour in a 1/4 cup of any milk you'd like. Now for the additions to your taste. We love 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanut butter for the creaminess. Then we've added 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now secure the lid and blend until it's smooth and creamy. Let's take a look. Yep, that's perfect. And now if you're chocolate fans like us, add a few mini chips for an extra treat with every bite. Don't forget to check out other additions and ideas on our website. And always, mix it up, make it yours, and cook it to your taste. Take a look at the description for the recipe link.